Welcome back, cruisers. As you know, just about 30 days ago, we visited Royal Caribbean's private island in Haiti. It's called Labadee and is actually a small peninsula on the northern coast of Haiti, just west of Cap Haïtien. We sailed there aboard the Mariner of the Seas, which happened to be only the second ship to return to Labadee since the pandemic started in 2020. We were stunned by the amount of trash that was washing ashore from the sea. It seemed as though each wave brought another plastic bottle, discarded shoe, or more shredded styrofoam to the beach. There were staff specifically assigned to rake the beach throughout the day, and they did an amazing job keeping the beach mostly clear of debris. The video you are watching was captured during our February visit. The raking had stopped for the day around 3 p.m. as most of the passengers were already back on board the ship. The port is on the other side of Labadee, far away from this area. We have been to Labadee many times in the past and have never seen anything like this. After posting that video, and I'll put a link in the description, we were contacted by so many viewers. The response ranged from anger for sharing the video to appreciation for showing what was really going on. This wasn't about blaming anyone. We were just sad to see this beautiful beach covered in trash. After getting home, we knew we needed to return to Labadee. It had always been one of our favorite ports, and we wanted to see if the conditions would improve over time. This would also allow us to share a first-hand update on the situation with you. So, on March 6, Cindy and the kids sailed to Labadee on the Wonder of the Seas inaugural cruise. Here's what she found.
Okay, so the last time we were here, this is where we were, and this beach here, right in front of where the zip line is, was covered with trash. Now, away from the time we saw the trash last time, so it's becoming low tide, and it appears that there's some bottles and just little bits of garbage, but honestly, so much better than it was last time. They've really got a lot of the trash cleaned up, so beautiful beach. Just a little bit here. Looks like a bunch up here. Mostly bottles. I see bottles and little bits of garbage floating out in the water as well, so there's still some here, guys, but holy cow, so much better than it was. So much better. And this isn't Royal Caribbean. I mean, this isn't even things that they sell on the beach. There's like an oil can up here and some bottles, styrofoam. Yeah. And I know last time everybody said, wow, we didn't see that. We didn't see any of that garbage. It was beautiful where we were. I think they were all on that side of the island over there, or further down where the beach chairs are. So this section right here, it is right by the zip line and right before you get to the beach when you get off of the ship. This is the beginning of the beach, and there's nobody else really down this area. So this was the section that we had reported on. The other side of the beach down by Adrenaline Beach, absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, as you can see, whew, just a lot of bottles washing up from out there. I see another bottle out in the water, another 2 bottles, 3, 4. You can kind of see the trash. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but there you go. There's still a bunch, but nothing like it was. So that's super exciting. Looks like everything is getting cleaned up very nicely.
I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on the world. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong. It looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stand strong.
Hi guys, I hope you liked our video. If you did, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and hitting the notification bell. Make sure to share this video with your friends because it helps out our time and keeps the algorithm happy. Bye!